Bulletin, and back to the big story that we've been tracking over the last couple of days about whether there was a plan to ambush the Prime Minister inside the Lok Sabha by Congress women MPs. Well, now in the latest that is coming in, Union Minister Kiren Rijiju has posted another explosive video alleging that it shows Congress MPs inside the Speaker's chamber on that same day, which was 4th of February, after the confrontation. In fact, they've called it an ambush in the chamber. Kiren Rijiju, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, has accused the opposition of targeting the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. In fact, listen into yourself so that you can understand what really happened. And this, remember, is visual footage. So, as we all say, these visuals are going to speak louder than words. Well, in fact, let's get you how Parliamentary Affairs Minister's statement has come in. Now you have Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who says, "We did not abuse anyone. 1 to 2 MPs were agitated and they expressed it. He also said that I was encouraging them, which is a lie. I was sitting quietly at the end and I said just a few things peacefully." That is Priyanka Gandhi. She says that she was sitting quietly, and you have the visuals there on your screens. The first reaction coming in from Congress's MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, saying that we did not abuse anyone. Only 1 to 2 MPs were very agitated and they expressed it. He also said that I was encouraging them, which is an absolute lie. I was sitting quietly, she says, and only in the end did I say a few things peacefully. Let's listen in to the entire sequence once again.
अब्यूज नहीं किया। कुछ 1-2 एमपी थे जिनको जो थोड़े ज़्यादा नाराज़ थे, तो उन्होंने वो एक्सप्रेस किया, अपनी नाराज़गी एक्सप्रेस की। और मैंने ये भी देखा है कि मैं पीछे से इनकरेज कर रही थी, बिल्कुल झूठे में चुपचाप बैठी थी। और अंत में मैंने 1-2 चीज़ें बोली शांति से स्पीकर साहब को।
गुनाह है क्या? अब ली गई है वो तो आप चेक करो कहाँ से ली गई है और क्यों ली गई है, लेकिन स्पीकर के रूम में जाना गुनाह है क्या?
और निर्मला सीतारमण ने जो कहा कि कांग्रेस पार्टी ने अपनी सत्ता के दौरान जो है देश को बेचा था, देश के इंटरेस्ट को
12 साल हो गए तुम्हें सत्ता के अंदर, बेच दिया। तुमने क्या किया? तुमने तो
Let me go across to Mohit, who's joining us with more details on this. Mohit, very interesting. Third one from the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, but now it's a war of versions. They are alleging that Priyanka Gandhi was egging Congress MPs on to ambush the Speaker, Lok Sabha Speaker, inside his chamber, Om Birla. But on the other hand, now you have Priyanka Gandhi, we just heard her right now, saying that I was sitting quietly and not asking anyone or egging on anyone. You just heard Priyanka Gandhi. In fact, let me go across to Mohit Bhatt, who's joining us with more details. Massive war of words, Mohit. Despite the fact that we have the entire sequence, it now appears that there are 2 versions. One which the centre is giving, the second, that of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra.
Well, in fact, you see, what the centre is saying and the government is saying is that the opposition members, specifically the Congress members, entered the Speaker's room over there. They were very angry. They used derogatory term against the Speaker. They abused Speaker and they threatened the Prime Minister. And we know for a fact that that video came out after Rahul Gandhi was not allowed to give reference to General Narvane's book. And Nishikant Dubey gave reference of certain books which were derogatory in nature when it comes to former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Now, after that, a massive ruckus happened, and many of the Congress MPs went to the Speaker's chamber, and then we saw war of words. The video also came out, and how the government and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju says that Speaker was threatened, Speaker was abused, and derogatory language was being used, and Prime Minister also was threatened. And he also says that we believe in parliamentary democracy, we believe in debate, we believe in dialogue. Well, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has categorically denied all these allegations. There is another version coming in from Priyanka Gandhi Vadra where she says that, yes, the MPs were angry, but the Congress party MPs have completely denied all those charges that have been leveled by a Parliamentary Affairs Minister. But the BJP clearly says that the Congress party does not respect the chair of the Speaker, and perhaps that is why derogatory language abuses were hurled at the Speaker. So clearly we see a massive standoff between the Congress party and the government over there. So we have to wait and watch what exactly will transpire today, given the fact, Meghna, we know that how the privilege motion notice is will be brought in today as per the sources against Rahul Gandhi by the government. So what exactly will happen after that, that remains to be seen, because government says that he has not substantiated what he has said, while the Congress party says that he had all the proof, but the government did not allow him to put that proof on the table. So we see video versus video war, narrative versus narrative war playing out in the parliament, and we have to wait and watch what exactly will transpire. Now, what exactly also the other party members have to say about the allegations that have been leveled by Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju.
Absolutely. This is going to be one of our top focus stories. Thank you so much, Mohit, for joining us. Meanwhile, BJP MP Nishikant Dubey, he has submitted a notice to the Lok Sabha Speaker seeking suspension of Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi's membership. Well, this move, remember, adds up to the escalating parliamentary showdown that we have been seeing this entire session.
राहुल गांधी कहते हैं कि भारत माता को बेच दिया है।
मैंने कहा ना कि मैंने सारी चर्चा की है। मोशन जो है मैं स्पीकर साहब से ये रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो मेरे मोशन को
सर आपने मोशन दे दिया है, क्या कहना चाहिए?
राहुल गांधी की सदस्यता रद्द करने के लिए किस तरह से सोरोस फाउंडेशन के साथ, किस तरह यूएसएड के साथ, किस तरह फोर्ड फाउंडेशन के साथ, भारत विरोधी जितनी ताकतें हैं उनके साथ, किस तरह से राहुल गांधी जी इस देश को तोड़ना चाहते हैं। देश को तोड़ने वाली जितनी शक्तियां हैं उनके साथ विदेशों में, चाहे वो कंबोडिया जा रहे हों, चाहे वो वियतनाम जा रहे हों, चाहे वो थाईलैंड जा रहे हों, चाहे वो बहरीन जा रहे हों, चाहे अमेरिका जा रहे हों, जो भी भारत को तोड़ने वाली ताकतें, उन सबों को जो है सोरेस फंडेड पैसे के साथ, सैम पित्रोदा के साथ मिलकर ये देश को टुकड़े टुकड़े करने की साजिश कर रहे हैं। इसलिए उनकी सदस्यता रद्द कर दी जाए और जिंदगी भर के लिए उनको चुनाव लड़ने से बात कर दी जाए।
Well, even as we speak, the Parliament, of course, session is currently on. Remember, only 2 days, today and tomorrow left. But this face-off clearly is only peaking and not ending anytime soon.